Yo, what's up, Fortnite? What's up, Pleasant Park? My name is Marshmallow. Thank you for coming out today and making history with me. Let's have some fun. Let's go, let's go. Let me see your favorite note. Let's go.
Check this out.
We're dreaming on and on, we're dreaming on and on. We got the windows down, we got the windows down. I'm chasing all of the colors in my head. I wanna be alive. I'm living high. I'm living high.
Let's go, let's go. Let me see everybody doing that march walk right now. Let me see you march walk.
We're dreaming on and on, we're dreaming on and on. The stars are all around, the stars are all around. I'm chasing all of the colors.
All right, I want to see everybody moving. Let's go.
Whoa.
Once again, thank you guys so much. Thank you, Fortnite, for coming out again tonight. This is a song I made with my friend Logic. Let's turn this into a dance party. Let's go.
I work hard every day, say. It's my day. La 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 la, yeah. Roll up to the spot, feeling real good. Think you gon' talk, you better not, my homies real hood. They say, Logic, why you do that? I don't know, I don't know. Yeah, they used to be like, who that? I don't know, I don't know.
Let me see you moving, Quinton.
My name wherever I go. Used to think that's what I wanted, but now just don't know. No, I can't f with that nuck if you bucking back. Yeah, I've been working, but I ain't got nothing back. Tell me the dilly now, hold up, wait, really now. All of that shit you been talking just silly now. It's as quick as you rise, just as quick as you could fall. Oh no, 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 I can't f with that at all. Can't f with that at all. I work hard every day, I work hard every day, yeah. But today is my day, it's my day. And no matter what they say, it's my day. La 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 la, yeah.
When this drops, let me see everybody fly, Quinton. Who's ready to fly right now? Let's go!
I can fly. I can fly.
If you know the words, let me hear you singing this at home right now. Let me hear you sing it, let's go!
When the morning comes and we see what we've become, in the cold light of day we're a flame in the wind, not the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back, 'cause with all that has happened I think that we both know the way that the story ends. Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirit.
When this drops, let me see you keep it mellow, let's go! Keep it mellow!
No, that means I'll have to leave. No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. So I'll go. I will go. So I'll go. I will go.
Alright, let me see everybody keep it mellow. Let me see you clap.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. Even though I might not like this, I think that you'll be happier. I want you to be happier. Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, 'cause this
Alright,
just
right now,
don't feel
everybody go
right
find your
to
squad.
me.
Go find your squad and let me see you shaking them up. Let me see what you got.
I want to see you smile. No, that means I'll have to leave. No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. So I'll go. I will go.
I just want to say thank you to Fortnite, thank you to all the people at Epic, and thank you to you for coming out and making history with me tonight.